Today we're going to show you how to change the agitator drive block on your washer. And it's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a 3/8 ratchet with a 7/16 socket or a 3/8 wrench. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we're going to start by opening the washer lid. We'll next need to remove the agitator. Now the agitator is held to the drive block just with friction, or a series of plastic tabs that grip the drive block. So normally you would be able to pull that agitator just using your arm strength and pulling it straight up off of the drive block. In some conditions where the agitator has been on there for a long time, you may need to use some mechanical means to remove that agitator, either with a water-filled pressure type of agitator remover or a mechanical device that grips the sides of it and uses a screw type of removal device. So start by just reaching in and grasping the edge of the very bottom of the agitator and then pull up sharply on it. Now keep in mind it will come off of there rather violently, so water valve on your your washer. It's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a 5/16 nut driver and a pair of slip joint pliers. Let me show you how we do it. In this case, the agitator did come off, but you'll see where there are 8 little plastic tabs that grip the actual drive block and hold it in place. So we'll set the agitator aside. We're next going to use our 7/16 socket and remove the retaining bolt on top of the drive block. And next we're just going to pull that drive block off of the agitator shaft, and again it may be stuck on there pretty good, and if need be, use a tool to pry the bottom of it upwards. A small pry bar will work quite well. Just pull that off and discard the old drive block. Now before we install the new drive block, we want to make sure that we clean up the splines on that agitator shaft. Just clean those grooves out so that they're nice and clean, free of any rust. And then we'll just line them up with the splines on the new drive block, and we'll push it down until it bottoms out. We'll next reinstall that 7/16 bolt. And we'll tighten that with our socket. Now next, we're ready to reinstall the agitator. And you'll note on that drive block that there are 4 ribs around the exterior of it that will line up with matching ribs on the inside barrel of the agitator. Now those ribs will actually line up with these paddles on the base of the agitator, so it makes it a little easier to install it. Once you have it lined up so that it will want to just drop straight down, just give it a sharp snap till it locks into position. And your repair is complete.